You've probably already seen lots of images of Madagascar. No, not that Madagascar. This Madagascar.
This is madness.
And look, while all those videos about the island's nature are great, fewer travelers actually go into the cities to show you real people doing real things. I will show you. I will take you there. Watch this. So here I am at embroidery Mamy. This is a museum, sort of a craftsmanship house. They make miniature figurines or miniature bicycles out of recycled parts that they find at hospitals and scrap yards and mechanic shops and stuff like that. So we're gonna go inside and take a look. Bonjour. Hello.
This is Mamy.
This is Mamy? This is Mamy, the genius behind Madagascar's only miniature craft shop. Here, Mamy uses recycled metals, rubbers, and plastics to create miniature crafted vehicles.
To start, I try to explain the process of making the bicycle. For example, for the front, we use the brake cable for the bicycle. We use a recycling fin brake cable. The handlebar, we use electric wire. And the brake, a telephone cable. Telephone cable for the pedals. It comes from rubber or flip rubber. The saddle just a piece of wood. And the spokes and the tires for the ring. We use the tin. And it's 12 centimeters of long per 5 millimeters.
With remarkable skill, Mamy crafts a bicycle rim from a repurposed can, drilling tiny holes and threading them with nylon string to mimic spokes.
To fix the rim. It's very economic to use a candle for soldering. And a few seconds only to a fishing line.
Wow.
All the tires, the medical jumping tube.
This is...
For the tires.
So this is a medical tube?
Medical jumping tube, but it's not used.
But this is a medical device tube, an infusion tube. But don't they need this in the hospital?
We use usually the medical jumping tube up of bed. Take the good size.
He's wrapping the tube around the...
Take the good size and cut just a piece of a centimeter.
He shapes a miniature tire from an infusion line, while worn-out flip-flops become movable pedals. Using old brake cables, he assembles the frame, complete with delicate functional brakes. Each miniature is meticulously hand-painted and decorated, bringing these creations to life with intricate detail. In the back of the shop, Mamy's wife Gina opened her own embroidery shop, employing women who are skilled in embroidering tablecloths, handkerchiefs, and other tissues with Malagasy motifs. So these patterns are all drawn first by hand, and the women will use these lines and sew. He drew a lemur, and this will be used as a template or pattern to make.
For example, one tablecloth is 2 weeks the work.
Can I look inside?
Yes, it's
Thank you. Okay, finished products.
Yeah.
So this is where it's all done. So for example, this was the chameleon that was drawn on.
And designer. It's a both side.
Aha, I see. Okay.
It's a both side. We have aprons also.
Oh yeah?
Here.
Oh. So now we're in the silk shop.
Here in Madagascar,
Yes.
we have two kinds of silk. We have a farm silk and a wild silk. The farm silk, it's like this, a cocoon. We feed them in the leaves of mulberry tree.
Okay.
And the wild silk, like this, the cocoon.
Yeah.
It's endemic species here in Madagascar. And when it's cooked, they become like this.
Wow.
And after, we make it the fried. It's the natural color of the wild. It's like this.
So this is colored with vegetable
Yes.
coloring.
From the curcuma.
Wow.
And like this is water lily. This one, it's a root of sisal.
And the green?
This is leaves of avocado.
Beetroot. This one's the colored beet color. And how about this dark one?
It's what means charbon.
Charbon? Which one is that?
Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus.
And the orange is a cinnamon.
This one's cinnamon.
Yes, the orange.
Wow. And this is a silk shirt.
Yes.
And you have wallets. You've made silk wallets. It's very, very nice.
Thank you. And to make one scarf, we take it 10 days.
10 days per scarf.
This one color is skin onions.
Onions. This is colored with onion. This one?
This one is cinnamon.
Cinnamon, avocado leaf,
Leaves,
natural,
natural, water lily,
water lily, natural,
curcuma,
curcuma, cinnamon, avocado leaf,
skin onions, and the natural.
onions.
And this is aloe vera.
Which one?
Aloe vera.
I know.
In French.
Okay, I don't know
Aloe
that one.
vera. In English, I don't know.
Okay. Say hello. Alright, we're just leaving Mamy's shop now. And I met this beautiful family. They wanted to speak English, and I just told them about the YouTube channel, so they're going to see themselves on YouTube in the future. Okay. So Alright. Okay, guys. So I'm at this next little
After I left running into these wonderful tourists, I walked down the street and found another hidden gem. To my astonishment, it was another artisanal craft shop that made really cool items out of zebu cow horns. For those that don't know, the zebu is unique to Madagascar due to its deep cultural and economic significance to the Malagasy people. This animal is vital to the island's agriculture and symbolizes wealth and status in Malagasy rituals and traditions beyond just providing meat and milk.
And inside there is a bowl like this one. So before working, we need to cook it during 10 minutes
Okay.
in the hot water.
So she puts it in the water.
And to show you the work, we make one spoon like
We'll
this.
make a spoon.
Yeah, from
Okay.
the
Here, one of the staff showed me how they were crafting a small coffee spoon from the horn of this sacred cow. Look at
become
this.
soft, and then it become like this. So here there is nothing inside.
Right.
Yeah. And then we can cut to have the shape of the spoon like this.
So he's basically cut out a crude outline, of what a spoon should more or less look like, and then I guess you
The basic shape.
the basic shape.
Yeah. And to protect it against parasite, we use wax and oil, beeswax. And then we burn it, we put it on the fire. Yes. And the cold water cool it quickly.
Okay. Yes, please. So this is the final product,
Yes.
or almost the final product. So this is the final polished product of the zebu horn that's been made into a spoon.
It becomes smooth. And he just polish one side to show the difference of finish and not finish.
Right, so this side
The inside isn't polished.
is not polished. This side is polished here. So you can see this side is what he just polished, this side is still raw.
For the step, we change the sandpaper with jeans like them. Jeans.
Okay, this is Gina,
This is the
yeah.
jeans. That's why it is here, because we need
Right.
one trouser in a week
To
to polish the spoon.
polish the spoon, yeah, okay.